Steel tumble belt shot blasting machine is the use of belts around the chamber. The workpiece is placed in the conveyor belt, driven by the speed reducer to produce the workpiece on the surface of the belt tumbling. Installed in the upper part of the shot blasting machine will be sprayed to the surface of the workpiece through the acceleration of steel shot to play a role in removing the surface of the product oxidized scale. The steel shot is separated and screened by the shot recycling system and then returned to the blast wheel for further use. The dust is well collected by dust collector. Steel tumble belt shot blasting machine is suitable for surface peening and sand blasting of various hardware workpieces. The body material of the steel tumble belt shot blasting machine is durable. Besides, the steel crawler adopts a reasonable chain drive system to ensure that the strong belt plates are always connected flat, and the high-quality cast chain rings are precision machined and hardened. The steel tumble belt shot blasting machine is easy to maintain. All bearings are mounted on the outside of the blast chamber, and the upper and lower positions of the blast machine abrasive door are limited by limit switches for limit control. The abrasive door adopts electric switch door. Compact structure, easy to use, safe and reliable.